In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create blog content with Gumloop. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a polished blog draft using Gumloop's chat interface, without any fuss. First, open your browser and go to Gumloop. You'll land on your personal home area. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation. That's where you'll begin. Look for the option labeled New Chat. Click it to start a fresh conversation dedicated to your blog post. Keeping each project in its own chat makes it easier to track versions and refinements later. A new page will open with a prompt box at the bottom. This is where you tell Gumloop exactly what you want. Click inside the box to activate it and then type your instructions. The clearer and more specific your prompt, the better the results. If you're not sure what to write, you can use a structured prompt like this. You are a professional tutorial writer. Write a clear step-by-step blog post about topic. Requirements: use simple language, include an introduction, provide numbered steps, add helpful tips, end with a short conclusion. Target audience: beginners, word count 600-800 words. Replace topic with your subject, such as setting up a home hydroponic garden or basic photo editing for beginners. As soon as you press enter, Gumloop will start generating your blog content immediately. You'll see the text appear in real time. Give it a moment and let it finish. Avoid interrupting the response midstream. This helps the model complete its thought and maintain structure. When it's done, scroll through the full draft. You should see an introduction, a clear set of steps, helpful tips, and a short conclusion, all aligned with the word count you requested. Now is a great time to refine. If you want adjustments, you can add another prompt right below the result. Ask for changes in plain language, like make the tone more friendly, add a brief checklist at the end, tighten the introduction, or include a quick example in step 3. You can also request formatting tweaks, such as clearer headings or shorter paragraphs, to improve readability for your audience. Think of this like an ongoing conversation. You guide, Gumloop revises. Once you're happy with the draft, you can copy the content into your blog platform for final formatting and images. That's it. You've created a complete blog post with Gumloop, starting from a single prompt and refining it until it fits your needs. Thanks for following along, and happy writing!